Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's make something beefy, quick, and maybe Thai inspired.
All right, let's make a 1-pan, 10-minute imposter Thai Pad Kra Pao. Today we're making some 10-minute, 1-pan cheat code Thai food. So I found a new recipe. It's supposed to be a super easy way to throw something together in like 10 minutes or so. And it's not traditional or super authentic, but apparently if you've got that Thai food itch, it'll scratch that itch. And the dish is Pad Kra Pao. Fun to say, right? Pad Kra Pao. So today we're making the 10-minute cheaters version of Pad Kra Pao. Call it the Ashley Madison edition, whatever you want. But hey, without further ado, let's go. So we start by thin slicing a shallot, or a shallot if you want to sound more distinguished. Then in a lightly oiled pan, we throw in 1 pound of lean ground beef. We break that up, let it cook. As your beef is starting to brown, we give it a heavy pinch of salt, pepper, and garlic. And then when your beef is about halfway cooked, we add our shallots. Stir those in. And then we add 2 tablespoons of red curry paste. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And we just stir all this in. Once your beef is cooked all the way through, we go ahead and kill the heat. And then because apparently the name Pad Kra Pao loosely translates to holy basil. So we add a bunch of fresh chopped Thai basil. If you can't find Thai basil, regular basil will probably do. It just won't be authentic. But our dish isn't authentic in any way, shape, or form. So do what you gotta do. And we'll add some cilantro and the juice of a lime. And then we stir this through. And we're ready to serve. You can do a lot of stuff with this. You could just eat it as is. You could serve it over rice. You could make tacos with it and call it a fusion. Or you can do what we're gonna do and make some little lettuce wrap deals. So we'll put a healthy amount of this into each of our little lettuce guys here. My lettuce isn't quite as sexy as I'd like it to be, but oh well, it'll work. And since the namesake of this dish is holy basil, we'll go ahead and top it with a little bit of fresh chopped basil. And there we have our Thai Pad Kra Pao-inspired lettuce wraps. A little 1-pan, 10-minute dish. Now it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's pretty good. It's actually really good. The beef is rich. It's got a ton of depth of flavor, plus a little bit of a kick from that curry paste. It's fresh. It's herbaceous. I love that the use of the fresh cilantro, the fresh basil, and that lime juice kind of just brightens it up a little bit. It's a great way to cook ground beef that's a little bit more interesting than what you might already be doing or what you might always be doing. So, hey, give it a try. If you wanted to make it a little bit more interesting, I don't know, call me crazy, but I'd add some peanut butter. Maybe a little bit of coconut milk, but probably don't even need that. That would just add kind of a little bit of sweet, a little bit more of a richness from the peanut butter. And peanut butter is kind of common in Thai, I think. I could be wrong. I don't fucking know. I'm not an expert. I'm just a dude who cooks from his house and films it. Anyways, I like it. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud, how you doing?
My cup is so full, it's overflowing.
Well, check it out. We got this 10-minute sort of imposter Thai Pad Kra Pao that you requested. Oh, you're drooling. You want some of this, huh? Well, here you go, bud. What do you think?
That is really good. It's rich and beefy, but at the same time, fresh, herby, and bright.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
I'd rather regret the things I've done than regret the things I haven't done.
Nash approves. I approve. Look, it's super easy. It's really good. It's a nice detour from maybe what you might normally be doing with if you just have some ground beef and you only have 10 or 15 minutes to make something and you want to make it good. So give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that'd help us out. It'd mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments and or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. I feel like the Micro Machine guy. I'm dating myself with that reference. But hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.